Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox clothes on your phone. First, you'll need to download a good image editing app, like Ibis Paint X or Pixlr, directly onto your mobile device. Next, make sure your Roblox account has a premium subscription, as this is essential for uploading any custom clothing designs. Finally, familiarize yourself with the Roblox clothing template dimensions, which are 585 pixels by 559 pixels, to ensure your designs fit perfectly. Now, let's dive into the design process. Open the official Roblox clothing template within your image editing app. Utilize layers to keep your design organized, separating elements like base colors, intricate textures, and small details. It's crucial to pay close attention to the template's specific sections for the torso, arms, and legs to ensure your design wraps correctly around the avatar. Don't be afraid to experiment with different brushes and colors to make your creation truly stand out. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to upload it to Roblox. Save your finished design as a PNG file, ensuring it has a transparent background for a professional look. Then, open your phone's web browser and go to the Roblox website, navigating to the Create section. Choose whether you're uploading a t-shirt, shirt, or pants. Finally, upload your PNG file, give your new clothing item a catchy name, and set a reasonable price for other players to purchase. After uploading, it's vital to test your new clothing item. Jump into a Roblox game and equip your design to see how it looks on your avatar in action. If you spot any visual glitches or areas that need tweaking, simply go back to your editing app, make the adjustments, and re-upload. Once perfected, promote your clothing line within Roblox communities and on social media. You might even consider creating a full collection to give players more options and boost your sales.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.